Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on a WIKO U Pulse. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Here locate something like a security or a biometrics. Or there's a fingerprint, so that already confirms that this device does have it. And let's try finding it now. And it seems that the fingerprint sensor is located on the back of your phone right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.